dreams, carrying the weight of expectations and a sense of duty. Feature-Tec. From industries to households, we serve the betterment of your living quality. Ever since 2003, we have immersed ourselves in R&D on materials of filtration and purification. No skyscrapers are built without a solid foundation. Through countless explorations and verifications, Feature-Tec has thousands of achievements in filtration materials. We delved deep into the microscopic world and continued to challenge the limits of technology. R&D of advanced material technology is the driving force of Feature-Tec's innovation. Ultra-pure fluid separation and purification, sophisticated cleaning technology and green filtration apparatuses, ventilation management system for harsh environment. What we are witnessing is not just a spark of inspiration, but the realization of great visions. Technological innovation and quality excellence rely on rigorous verification and validation. Feature-Tec continues to improve the service capabilities of test, becoming one of the few filtration enterprises with integrated development. It includes materials R&D, lean fabrication, integrity solutions, testing and verification. Our products can capture nanoparticles. Our apparatuses are well used by factories all over the world. From the environment to physical well-being, from manufacturing to everyday life. Feature-Tec have always sought to empower the future of our industry. And strive for the happiness of the people.